Things just aren't what they were in your grandparents' day. Back then, there were only a few channels on TV, if the antenna was working. The family shared one phone, and it was on a wall in the house. Gas stations gave away free road maps. Now we've got GPS, and it's still easy to get lost. The point is, things change. Take retirement, for example. In your grandparents' day, retirement was pretty easy. They had a pension at work. They could count on Social Security for a little more. They paid off the house where your mom or dad was raised. Bingo! Your grandparents' road to retirement was clear. They knew where they were going, and they knew how they were going to get there. But the rules of the road have changed in recent years. Company-funded pensions are mostly a thing of the past. The future of Social Security is uncertain. That means you're in charge of your retirement. It can be a good thing if you're willing to plan, save, and manage your investments. But it can also be a bad thing if you let things slide or lose some of your savings in down markets. So here you are. There is retirement. What retirement destination should we program into your GPS? What about a route that includes life insurance? Maybe not your grandparents' whole life insurance, but perhaps this life insurance. Index Universal Life Insurance, IUL. A 21st century version of life insurance that can be a powerful wealth accumulation vehicle on the road. Like life insurance in the past, it provides secure death benefit protection for your loved ones if you die too soon. But because it's modern life insurance, it can be one type of retirement insurance too, for you to use. Here's how. Depending on the amount of premium you pay, IUL has the potential to accumulate significant amounts of tax-deferred dollars, along with potentially tax-free payouts that you can use while you're still living, if the policy is structured correctly, to help supplement your income later for a happy, healthy retirement, or college, or a new roof, or a vacation, or a new business. Money you can use for any purpose you choose. IUL's growth engine earns interest based in part on stock market index performance, while protecting your values with minimum policy guarantees when markets are down. That's because an IUL policy offers the potential to credit interest based in part on the upward movement of a stock market index. Alternatively, an IUL policy also offers protection against the impact of market downturns, with a minimum guaranteed interest rate offered through a fixed interest account. When you purchase an IUL policy, you can decide within policy guidelines the amount of insurance that's right for you, the amount of premiums, the timing or frequency of planned premiums, monthly, quarterly, annually, how to allocate your premium along several interest crediting accounts. Think of how much smoother your road to retirement could be without all the curves and hills and valleys. Think about how you won't have to pay taxes on this income. And think of how you shouldn't have to spend a day of your journey making up for losses. Even if you take a side trip to the hospital or have some significant healthcare expenses, there are even additional options to access cash. A lot has changed since your grandfather's day, especially the road to retirement. IUL could help you put the pedal to the metal. That's why we call it Life to the Max. For more information, visit with your financial professional. And let's get this road trip started.